How to log in to your Walmart employee account. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily log into your Walmart account online. So first thing, simply head over to any of your browser and inside here simply search in for Walmart 1, which is the official website of your Walmart account. So if you are a employee or existing employee of this company, they will provide you with the login credentials which you will need to simply enter here to log in to this website. So simply click on this login option at the right corner you can see here, and once you see that, from over here what you can do is simply enter your user ID just like this and select your country or region. Let me select the United States. So enter your location like home office or store club, or you're using store club pharmacy or optical, or you can use DC. So simply select any one of these and simply click on sign in. And if your login credentials are correct, you will be successfully signed in to your Walmart account. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.